Astronomers, science enthusiasts, and space dreamers, hold on tight. The James Webb Space Telescope has done it again, capturing a groundbreaking image of Gliese 5 that's redefining our understanding of the universe. What's so special about this distant star system? Stick around, because we're breaking it all down in today's episode of Cosmic Chronicles. Let's dive in. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope, we now have the tools to measure incredible details about galaxies, how fast they're forming stars, the total number of stars they contain, their size based on distance, and even the typical age of those stars. But today, we're diving into something even more fascinating, a planet that's breaking all the rules. Introducing Gliese 54b, a celestial enigma that's rewriting what we thought we knew about the universe. This planet isn't just mysterious, it's stunning. Its vibrant pink hue is like nothing we've ever seen before, and it may hold secrets that could transform planetary science as we know it. So, what's the story behind Gliese 54b? For starters, this isn't your average gas giant. Sitting far beyond Jupiter, it's a true magenta marvel. That striking color? Scientists believe it's caused by leftover heat from its formation. And here's the kicker, this planet is still in its cosmic infancy, only about 160 million years old. For planets, that's practically a newborn. Its swirling magenta clouds are not just beautiful, they might hold the key to unraveling how planets form, evolve, so extraordinary and why this discovery could shape the future of planetary exploration. There's so much more hiding beneath those mesmerizing clouds, are you ready to discover it? Deep in the cosmos lies a mystery so profound, it could completely reshape our understanding of how planets form. Meet Gliese 5004b, a pink-hued enigma orbiting a star much like our Sun. But here's the twist, this planet isn't just far from its star, it's really far, several times the distance between Jupiter and our Sun. And that's where things get puzzling. Planets like Gliese 5004b aren't supposed to exist this far out. Typically, giant planets form much closer to their stars, where there's a wealth of material to build from. But this one is hanging out in the cosmic outskirts, leaving astronomers scratching their heads and rethinking long-held theories. So, why does this matter? Gliese 5004b is more than just a visual stunner, it's a rule-breaker. Most gas giants form through a slow process of gathering material near their stars, but Gliese 5004b might have taken an entirely different path. Scientists suspect it could have formed through something called disk instability, a process where a planet clumps together rapidly, all at once, instead of slowly building over time. If that's true, it's a game-changer. It suggests there may be more ways for planets to form than we ever imagined, unlocking possibilities we're only beginning to explore. This planet isn't just challenging the rules, it's rewriting them. And who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered in the vast, uncharted reaches of the universe. Before the James Webb Space Telescope, capturing a clear image of a planet like this was next to impossible. The challenge? Stars are blindingly bright compared to the planets orbiting them. Imagine trying to spot a tiny firefly hovering next to a towering lighthouse, nearly impossible, right? But James Webb has changed the game. Its advanced infrared cameras cut through the intense glare of stars, revealing planets in breathtaking detail. When it turned its gaze toward Gliese 5004b, Webb didn't just capture the planet's dazzling pink glow, it also picked up clues about its atmosphere. And here's where it gets exciting, early data shows the presence of methane and water vapor. At first, that might not sound groundbreaking, but these elements are like cosmic breadcrumbs, giving scientists invaluable insights into the planet's history and the mysterious processes happening in its swirling magenta clouds. Gliese 5004b is just one of thousands of exoplanets we've discovered so far, and each one has its own incredible story. Take WASP 12b, for example, a massive gas giant so close to its star that it's been nicknamed the Black Planet because of its eerie, light-absorbing darkness. Then there's Proxima Centauri b, a rocky, Earth-sized world sitting in the habitable zone, where liquid water could potentially exist. And don't forget TOA 700d, an Earth-like planet 100 light-years away that's sparking serious excitement about its potential to support life. The universe is bursting with strange and fascinating worlds, each one more extraordinary than the last. And with Webb, we're only just beginning to uncover their secrets. Imagine what we'll discover next. The universe is packed with planets that stretch the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Take HD 189733b, for example, a world where winds scream at thousands of miles per hour, and it literally rains glass sideways. Yes, glass. Sideways. And then there's WASP 76b, a planet so blisteringly hot it vaporizes iron, which condenses and rains down on the cooler night side like molten metal. If that sounds intense, meet J1407b, a planet with rings 200 times the size of Saturn's. Living on a moon orbiting this planet would give you a view so spectacular it would make any postcard look dull in comparison. Some planets don't just defy expectations, they shatter them. LTT 9779b, an ultra-hot Neptune, is cloaked in metallic clouds so reflective they bounce back 80% of the light from their star, effectively making it a giant mirror in space. And then there's the heavyweight champ, Kepler 10c, a planet so dense it's earned the nickname Mega-Earth. Weighing in at over 17 times the mass of Earth, it redefines what rocky planets can be. For all the bizarre and breathtaking worlds we've discovered, the ultimate question remains, is there life out there? While Gliese 5004b is likely not a candidate, it's too young and too far from its star to support life. Other planets like TOA 700d or Proxima Centauri b keep hope alive. These are the places that spark our imaginations and push us to keep searching for the answer to one of humanity's greatest mysteries. The universe is strange, beautiful, and full of surprises. And we're just getting started. Scientists are on the edge of their seats, captivated by the search for life beyond Earth. But finding life isn't as simple as spotting a planet in the so-called habitable zone. You need the perfect cocktail, the right mix of chemicals, a stable climate, and, most crucially, liquid water. Even if we discover a planet with all these ingredients, there's still the challenge of detecting signs of life from light years away. That's where cutting-edge technology like the James Webb Space Telescope steps in. Webb can analyze the atmospheres of distant worlds, searching for clues like oxygen, methane, or other molecules that hint at biological activity. One of the most promising candidates is Kepler 452b, often referred to as Earth's cousin. This planet is slightly larger than Earth and sits perfectly in its star's habitable zone. Its sun-like star has an impressively long lifespan, billions of years longer than our own, giving life plenty of time to develop and thrive. And the search doesn't stop with planets. Closer to home, Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, has scientists buzzing with excitement. Beneath its icy crust lies a massive ocean that could potentially harbor microbial life. If true, it would be one of the most extraordinary discoveries in human history. With the James Webb Telescope, we're only scratching the surface. Scientists are already setting their sights on planets like Gliese 5004b and countless others, hoping to unlock their secrets. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding not just how these worlds work, but also whether we're truly alone in the universe. The search for life isn't just science, it's a journey into the very heart of existence. And it's only just begun. Get ready for a cosmic spectacle like no other, a celestial dance that ends in a dramatic collision. When two galaxies merge, they light up the sky with a dazzling show as their stars and gas clouds intermingle. But the real drama lies at their hearts, where supermassive black holes are on a collision course. This kind of cosmic event doesn't just create a single, irregular galaxy, it's a window into the evolution of the universe itself. As these black holes merge, they unleash powerful blasts of radiation, fueled by matter being pulled into their immense gravitational wells. These explosions don't just dazzle, they provide scientists with invaluable insights into how galaxies grow, change, and interact with the black holes at their centers. But here's the burning question: what would happen to our solar system if such a merger involved the Milky Way? While total destruction isn't on the table, the aftermath could still be profound. The orbits of our planets might shift, or the entire solar system could be flung out of the newly formed galaxy, left adrift in the vastness of space. Understanding these colossal events is key to unraveling the long-term fate of our galaxy. By studying similar mergers across the universe, scientists can piece together how galaxies evolve over billions of years and the role black holes play in shaping them. The vast distances between galaxies make these collisions slow-motion events, but their impact is anything but minor. They're a reminder of the ever-changing, dynamic nature of the cosmos, and of how small we are in the face of such epic forces. What's in their atmospheres? Could any of these distant planets have moons capable of hosting life? These are the questions driving humanity's search for answers, and future missions promise to push the boundaries even further. NASA's upcoming Habitable Worlds Observatory could bring us one step closer to directly imaging Earth-like planets in the habitable zones of nearby stars, a game-changing leap in our quest for alien worlds. Meanwhile, the European Space Agency's aerial mission is set to unlock the chemical secrets of hundreds of exoplanet atmospheres, revealing clues about their compositions and histories. Every discovery reminds us just how much more there is to learn. From planets of fire and ice to those with iron rain, the universe continues to deliver surprises. Take Gliese 5004b, for example, a reminder of how little we truly understand. Each new finding challenges the rules and inspires us to rewrite them. Scientists predict that within the next few decades, we'll have the tools to detect alien biosignatures, or maybe even discover life itself. Until that day, we'll keep exploring, fueled by the understanding that the more we learn, the stranger and more breathtaking the universe becomes. Speaking of breathtaking, have you heard about the James Webb Space Telescope's latest discovery? It's got everyone talking, a wild, stunning find that's shaking up our understanding of the cosmos. Let me tell you about Gliese 5004b. Gliese 5004b has just been captured in what's being hailed as the clearest image of its kind, and it's not just a stunning photo. This planet is flipping the script on what we thought we knew about the universe. The universe is far stranger and more extraordinary than we could ever imagine. Stay curious, because the cosmos always has another surprise waiting just beyond the horizon. WASP 76b is the stuff of nightmares. Imagine rain, but instead of water, it's molten iron. Liquid 640 light-years away from Earth. Its hellish weather is caused by its extreme proximity to its star, 10 times closer than Mercury is to the Sun. Here's the eerie part: one side of WASP 76b is always facing the star, locked in perpetual daylight, while the other side is cloaked in eternal darkness. It's like two planets in one, half blazing inferno, half endless night. Creepy, right? But why does this matter? Light that's been traveling for over 13 billion years. It's like peeking at the universe's baby photos, and what we're seeing is both breathtaking and mind-bending. The light Webb captures has been stretched over eons as the universe expands, giving us a glimpse of the earliest galaxies, the strangest worlds, and everything in between. The cosmos is vast, mysterious, and endlessly surprising, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface. Thanks to the expansion of the universe, when we peer into the most distant galaxies, we're actually looking back in time, closer and closer to the Big Bang itself. It's like zooming in on a photo, where each closer look reveals more and more details. But as we delve deeper into the cosmos, we're stumbling upon some jaw-dropping discoveries that are challenging everything we thought we knew. Neil deGrasse Tyson have pointed out that Webb is uncovering evidence that might even force us to rethink the Big Bang theory. One bold hypothesis suggests that black holes from a previous universe could have played a role in creating ours. If that doesn't make you feel small and insignificant in the grand scheme of things, I don't know what will. But don't jump to conclusions just yet. Scientists are proceeding with caution. More data is needed before we go rewriting textbooks. The mysteries of the universe are only beginning to unfold, and the more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. Could there have been mistakes in the measurements? Possibly. Could these early galaxies be hiding supermassive black holes that are throwing off the data? That's another theory gaining traction. What we thought were stars in these ancient galaxies might actually be clumps of dust and gas collapsing under the weight of gravity. To crack the mystery, researchers are using spectroscopy, a technique that breaks down the light from these objects to reveal their age and composition. If these galaxies really are as massive as they appear, it could mean that our current understanding of the universe needs a major overhaul. The most widely accepted theory, known as lambda cold dark matter, lambda CDM, has been the foundation for explaining how the universe works. It suggests that dark matter and regular matter mix together in the early universe, eventually clumping together under gravity to form stars. But if these gigantic galaxies formed that early, it's like the universe skipping cake. Sounds pretty extreme, right? Here's a more engaging rewrite of the script. Other researchers are diving into alternative ideas, like early dark energy theories, which suggest that dark energy might have behaved differently right after the Big Bang. Then, there are the scrappy, smaller galaxies, like one discovered just 500 million years after the Big Bang. Thanks to a mind-bending phenomenon called gravitational lensing, where massive objects bend light, we can see this tiny galaxy despite its size. This little galaxy is going full throttle, churning out stars at a pace 10 times faster than anything around it. Could this same starburst activity be behind the larger galaxies, too? Maybe, but for now, the answers are still out of reach. The more we explore, the more the universe continues to blow our minds. Take Gliese 5004b, for example. The real takeaway here is that the James Webb Space Telescope is doing more than just snapping cool pictures, it's revolutionizing our understanding of how the universe works. Whether it's challenging the Big Bang theory, revealing planets with iron rain and scorching heat, or capturing the glow of auroras on distant giants, it's opening our eyes to just how only time will tell what's still out there waiting to be uncovered. But one thing's for sure, the universe is full of surprises, and humanity is only just beginning to scratch the surface of its secrets. Let's keep looking because every new discovery is flipping our understanding of the cosmos upside down in ways we never imagined. Speaking of mind-blowing discoveries, have you heard the buzz about the James Webb Space Telescope? This cutting-edge marvel has been flexing its high-tech muscles, giving us views of the universe that were once thought impossible. And now, it's delivered an absolutely jaw-dropping image of Gliese 54b, an exoplanet that's got the scientific community talking. Let's set the stage. Gliese 54b is a colossal exoplanet orbiting a star 57 light-years away from Earth. That's an enormous distance, but in the vastness of space, it's relatively close. This planet is 4 times the size of Jupiter, making it a true heavyweight in the world of planets. But what really sets it apart? Its striking appearance. Gliese 54b isn't your average gas giant, it's a glowing pink planet that looks like it's straight out of a science fiction movie. Its eye-catching hue has earned it nicknames like
Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.